This video was sponsored by Squarespace. Today, I'm taking you on a little trip to my favorite city in the world, Berlin. Before I moved to the little town in Bavaria where I live now, I lived in my favorite city for 8 years. Berlin is where I grew up, started my pottery business, and founded a community studio and met all of my best friends. I still really consider this place my home. I'm back in Berlin after 3 years. It's crazy, it feels like I never left. This is the park that I took Peanut every day. It's really close to where we lived, and it's kind of hidden. It's behind the planetarium, next to the S-Bahn. It's really dead right now, so it's pretty early on a Saturday morning. Everyone's sleeping or hungover. Look at this tree. Berlin is in bloom. I don't know how to describe it. I'm like so nostalgic, but I'm also like, I don't know. I just feel really grateful to have had this place and the time that I had it and to meet all of the people that I met here. Yeah. Berlin is a hard city to live in. Like, my God, is it hard? But it's also like really incredible. I kind of miss it. I wanted to visit the studio that I founded in Berlin-Wedding. I started the studio in 2019, weathered the pandemic, and kept it running until I moved in 2022. When I left, I passed it on to my friends, Charmin and Steffi, who turned it into Claire's Collective. They're incredible potters in their own right and have really taken the space to the next level. Next stop, I challenged my other pottery friends at Studio Soul for a little throwing competition. Hello! Studio Soul was founded by my two friends, Bianca and Victoria, and it is also a community pottery studio where you can take classes and join as a studio member. I wanted to ask you, because I don't actually know this, why did you call it Studio Soul?
So we were basically looking for a name that was short, that people could remember, but also because Victoria's from Venezuela and I'm from Brazil, we wanted a word that was kind of the same in both of our languages. So we had a bunch of words from like popcorn in Portuguese over tons of other things. But then we kind of narrowed it down to soul because we were like, we are sunny people, we like bright colors, we want the space to be also very welcoming and warm. And it's really like spelled the same way in Portuguese and Spanish. So we kind of really like that. And it kind of matches our personality, I think.
For sure, yeah. When did you open the space?
April 2024, right?
Last year.
So about a year, yeah.
We're just 1 year old, We're babies.
Next weekend it's going to be 1 year.
Really?
From the opening party. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, we had a soft launch in April, but we basically got the keys like in January.
Yeah.
But then we had to renovate and stuff.
And what did you guys do to renovate? Like,
everything.
You had to close off this door, right?
We closed the door, we painted ceiling, every wall.
You painted the ceilings?
Yeah.
Yes.
We had to paint everything.
The wheel table.
We built
you had to build the
furniture,
table.
Yeah. And we had to like install a sink and the faucet and
did you have any clue, like you learned all this stuff for the first time? Or like you have any clue how to do this stuff before?
So we were watching your videos,
So we divide all the jobs here, but Victoria does like 99% of all the kiln loading. So we call her the kiln queen because she is. She does all the Tetrising and she does all the loading and unloading and she's great at it.
Okay, so we have Candela over here. This is
have to name your kiln.
the heart of the studio. With us, of course. Her name means the fiery one.
And I think the literal translation is candle,
Yeah.
but it has all these other meanings too. Spanish, Portuguese, blaze, the warming one, the fury one.
The fiery.
That's kind of cool.
By the way, guys, Bianca is helping me with the template videos. I don't know if you know, but I have another channel that's all about slab pottery templates. And I've been doing it myself for a really long time now, and it's been a lot. So Bianca's coming to my rescue and helping me out with these videos.
So you're gonna be in Berlin a lot more though.
Yeah,
You're gonna be here at Studio Solo a lot more.
Yeah. Oh, that's really nice.
Let's take a little break to talk about today's sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in-one website platform that artists and entrepreneurs use to stand out online. I've personally been using Squarespace ever since I started my online business because it has incredibly easy to use features, including their drag and drop website builder and integrated SEO tools. Whether you're just starting out or managing a thriving brand, Squarespace makes it easy to create a beautiful website to sell anything from physical products to memberships, digital products, and even services. You can also schedule appointments, create on-brand invoices, and send newsletters. And for the artists watching, you will love their cutting-edge design tools, where you can create a bespoke website that perfectly fits your brand or business. So head to squarespace.com right now for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/pottery to the people for 10% off your very first website or domain. Now let's get back to the video. Now it's time, the reason you guys clicked on this video. Let's get down to the blind throwing challenge.
Have you guys ever done blind throwing before?
No, ma'am.
Never.
This is the first time, and I've been challenged before and I haven't done it.
Look where your stuff is.
Oh my God. So what are we going to do?
Bowl and then vase, right? So cup. Okay.
Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. You're gonna need to clear your nose because they're kind of wide, but they're proper blind.
Yes, I cannot see anything really.
Wow.
Okay.
Are we starting?
Yeah, we're starting now.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't even know if my wheel's going the right direction.
Oh, it's actually not so hard.
It's not so hard. I thought I was gonna have a hard time getting it in the middle. It's kind of cool to try this though.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's even like, it will make you a better thrower if you do this.
Yeah, probably.
Because you're really relying on your fingers. I almost tossed my water.
I don't know. I'm wondering if this is already like enough. I don't know. It feels like big or high. But
Yeah, maybe they're
I'm
kind of
not
like
sure.
big. It's a bit much, maybe.
grams is this?
this is the 500 one.
I'm done already, you guys.
What? Did you take it off?
Took it off, yeah.
You took it off?
Surprisingly not that hard.
Okay, different tool. No, I'll take.
So where's the table? The table is here. Okay. No, put it.
You got it? Okay.
Yes, I did.
Bianca,
Okay,
where are you at?
1 second. Oh my God, I don't know where it is. It's moving.
Yeah, that's the tricky thing. If it moves when you're wiring through it all. Oh no.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, blindfolds off. I'm proud of me. Yeah.
Whoa.
You have the best cup.
Yeah, you have the best. I knew you would.
How did you guys do this so fast?
Oh, okay.
Wow. This is harder than I thought.
It is.
I think mine's really wonky. Like it looks pretty regular, but it's got like a very thin spot in the middle.
Were you gonna ace the bowl around?
Yeah. Oh, I don't
That
know.
looks like a really good bowl.
But this is Larry control.
That's super
I think
nice.
you did a good
I
job.
like
I mean, it has a hole in the bottom.
Besides that. We do another one?
Yeah.
I can pick up my tool
I'm
from the
like
floor
way
now.
less intimidated now. I feel like we
I
got
think
this.
1 kilo is gonna be a lot for me.
Yeah.
Here.
Okay, bowls. Ready?
Y'all ready for this?
Let's go. Ready?
Let's do this.
Let's go under. I feel like I'm diving underwater or something.
To put the
It's on the board? Wait,
No, it's on the table, on the table. Okay, I'm gonna start centering because you guys are fast as fuck.
I'm gonna try and focus more and go slower this time.
I'm getting water out. I'm not sure I'm done pulling. I don't know how much height I have. It could be tiny or huge. I have no idea.
I have a visual in my mind, but like.
I think I'm super scared of taking this out of the wheel.
Okay.
Pour off. For me. Where's my wiring tool?
Speedy Gonzalez. Jeez Louise.
Oh, this is scary. Okay, well, where are you? Okay.
Okay, I have to wire again. No. Oh my god. This is where I'm gonna ruin it probably. Either with my hands or with my boobs.
Oh no.
Okay. Hold on. It's on the table. I have a bottom. Oh my god.
Okay. Holy cow.
Wow.
Wait.
Yes.
That was better than the
Not
cups.
bad. I think I need to start throwing my
You
balls.
have the best one.
Oh my god. I need to start throwing my balls blind.
This is what I wanted. This is what
I
happened.
think a curve is better than any ball that I throw ball
You should always.
That's really good. I'm actually really
This is what I wanted.
Yeah, me too. I thought it was like that.
Wow.
This is not what I would ever make optisch.
Yeah. Round 3.
Endgegner.
Endgame. So
So, a
cylinder
vase.
and the bubblies or whatever shape you want to give.
Let's try it.
I have no idea. I just put bubbles. I don't know if they're proportional or what's going on.
Wow, so much water. Jeez.
This is probably the most horrible vase I've ever done.
Aww.
But it's okay.
I believe in you.
I'm pretty sure I have the worst one. I think I made like a really beautiful curvy lady, but I think it's not that. Okay, I'm taking it off. Almost.
You got it on the table?
Yes.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Wow! Okay, but look at this one.
No.
It's beautiful. I think the shape of this one is perfect. I actually think.
I mean, I didn't go for
would
like
take
super
a-
defined.
Yeah.
I went for like a curvy.
Yeah.
But I was.
But this is
able to do-
impressive. This is very impressive.
Yeah. It's so close to the edge of the
that's
table.
right.
I told you guys it was going to fall.
Wow.
There's water.
Look at this mess.
Yeah.
It's so
It's super messy.
tallest possible.
The tallest wins. Okay.
Blindfolds on.
I don't remember where I put my clay already.
I'm too. That's why I said let's do it 800 or 700. And you guys, no, a kilo. A kilo is like really hard work.
I feel it in my abs. A lack of abs.
But don't you always teach my? It's not the abs. It's just a body tension position.
I wonder what people say if they are outside, like watching us. Because they can see us, you know?
I didn't even think of that. Oh, that's embarrassing.
Yeah, it's funny. Like, what are they doing?
Oh no! Oh, I destroyed it. Oh no! I didn't even mean to. Oh no!
Wait, what happened?
I pulled too hard. I pulled straight through.
Oh no. Did you
I
lose
sliced
half
it
of it or
on
just
the
a tiny?
bottom, on the full-on bottom. I lost the whole thing. Oh.
Who's taller right now? Guide us. Battle us.
So you're a little bit taller, Bianca, but Victoria's is wider.
Wider.
Yeah, you both are doing a really good job. You guys are in stiff competition right now.
Ooh, okay. The Battle of Sol.
This is not feeling good.
Yeah, mine's getting a bit wonky now because I got in with dry hands.
Oof, I'm seriously like, breathe, breathe, breathe.
No, no!
No.
What
You
happened?
saw it?
wonkin.
It's wonkin.
It's wonkin. Oh, you recovered though.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, pretty much.
To me, it's like it's this tall, but it's not. I'm like, oh, it's over. Okay, I don't think I can go taller than this.
You gonna rivet?
Well, I'm just gonna try to get a bit of the skirt off.
She touched it with her sleeve.
Oh no, it's more wonky than before.
Can you fix it?
No, it's okay. I think, no, it's really wonky now.
You won't notice when it's not moving.
Okay.
Again.
Awesome.
Wow.
I mean, you got it.
What? We have the same shape.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Like, truly.
20 and a half.
And then, how much was that?
22.
Yeah. Good job.
I sucked at all the other rounds though. But vases are my thing. I love making vases. Wow, but it's so much harder than you think. I thought it was perfectly straight and it's not.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
All right, guys, you can find Studio Soul on Instagram at Studio Soul, ? I'll put it in the video description.
StudioSoulBerlin.com.
I'll put it in the video description. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.
Bye, friends.
2, 3. What did you? Oh, that's cool. It folded in on itself.
Here too.
Ja, stimmt.